Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Runic Enchant Stone in Fish It. So in this latest update, there is a brand new enchant stone that called the Runic Enchant Stone. It will look like this. It will look like this. This one, it's a secret tier enchant stone. And since it's a secret tier items, I highly recommend using your best fishing rod to increase your chance. And so yeah, all you need to do is just keep fishing in this underwater city or sewer until you get this enchant stone, Runic Enchant Stone. Just go fishing at this underwater city at here, or just keep fishing at this sewer area. And once you have the Runic Enchant Stone, you can use it to roll power enchants like Forgotten Hunter and more. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get this Runic Enchant Stone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!